Have you been feeling the cold lately? Is it from the gaps around your windows or door frames? They may be old, they may be new. Either way, I've got the answer. 3C's construction foam. Attach it to an applicator, give it a good shake, undo the dial at the back to allow the foam to start to come through, place the nozzle into the gap and slowly squeeze the trigger. Now you don't want to apply too much at this point because the foam will expand. Leave it 5 or 10 minutes and then you may have to add some more if there's still a gap. Once it's dried, you can cut it off flush with a trimming knife. And that's your gap filled to stop any cold air coming in or warm air escaping. Then you can bridge over that by applying your plastic trim and then it's complete.